Hi everyone, Daniel from DBaca Maker here, and this is the beginning of my COVID shelter-in-place series. And what I'm going to be doing is taking little snippets of the times that I'm using while isolated to take the golden mean calipers that I made out of wood and start making them out of metal. I took some time, and you'll see it in the video, to prep some pieces that I'm going to be using to make the various parts. The narrow ones are going to be making these center parts, the critical parts actually, and then I've got a larger piece of bar that I have started to shape into the longer pieces. And I'm taking this a little bit at a time so that I don't drive myself crazy, but also I don't drive the neighbors crazy with all the noise. So enjoy. Still need some prettying up, and I've got to even this out. And I'm going to do that with a flat disc rather than try to forge it out. Then I get to measure this area. I'm going to round this up too, to punch holes the proper distance. Then I shape it, or rather I shape it and punch holes so that these two are at the correct distance. Now I get to make a second one. That's gonna be hot. So what I've done, I marked a line, and I've marked another line, and I've just set them flush inside the unit here. What this is going to become is this. So now I'm just going to hit this side. I'm not too worried about this. More critical that this be that length rather than that shape. Let me just cut this off. Okay. These fit together like that. And so these will fit together like that. Maybe I'll taper this down just a touch. It's a little bit better. Some more refinement on the rounds. And that might come when I punch the holes. That's it for today. I will try to post another video tomorrow, if not then the day after. We have rain coming in. We've had bands of rain coming in. So depending upon whether there is a flood underneath my forge or not, I will have another video up. In fact, it had started to sprinkle a little bit. That's why I stopped forging. But during this time, I know that there are people who think that some of this is unnecessary, other people who think it's very necessary. All I can say is that just about everybody in my household, myself included, would be vulnerable to this virus if we contracted it. And even if it's not what everyone says or what the authorities say it is, it's still bad enough for us that we want to avoid it entirely. We would want to avoid the flu entirely. We'd want to avoid colds entirely. Our bodies are all compromised. So for the rest of you, stay safe, stay active around your house, continue to do projects inside or where you're not out in the world, just because there are some people who would be vulnerable to any kind of exposure to any kind of virus, and this is the time of year when everything is going wrong. So be safe. I hope to see you tomorrow. Until then, have a great day. And you know what to do with all the socials. Thank you.